not make great melodies a technical exercise, or a warm-up exercise, or a transcription exercise, or all of them combined into one great thing? Here we go. Improvisation, as many of you probably already know, is spontaneous composition. So why not take beautiful melodies that are already tried and true and things that you love and learn them and make exercises out of them in different ways, so that when you're improvising, you have more to draw from to pull out melodies and ideas to put into your own improvisation. 1, 2, 1, 2. And so on. Whew. So one of the things you might notice is that you're basically playing scales with this melody, but Sonny being awesome, of course, he makes it very rhythmic and motivic. So you get those really cool different rhythmic patterns, bebop, be-do, bebop, be-do, trading back and forth between upbeats and downbeats. It's just a classic way to show how awesome Sonny Rollins is in every single way. He's the best. Enjoy creating exercises for melodies. I'll see you soon. Later.